ko na. Hey, it's Kim at Mini Odin, and we have a special guest! Hi! Good morning! Today is a busy day kasi pupunta tayong con. I'll be going to Mini Odin, and I thought this would be a cute opportunity to film a Get Ready With Me. So, get ready with me to go to Mini Odin as a cosplayer. Okay, medyo kinakabahan ako sa movie window na to. So, we'll see. Baka okay naman siya pagsuot na. Tingnan mo yung earrings. Ang cute. Cutie! I realized nakalimutan ko mag-introduction. So, if you're new to the channel, hi! I'm Kim. I'm an artist. And usually, when I attend events, I attend as an Artist Alley seller. So, I make merch and I sell it at conventions. But for this event, I decided to go as just a regular con goer. And the reason for that is lately, medyo napaburnt out na ako sa pagbabenta sa Artist Alleys. I thought I need something to rekindle my love for Artist Alleys again. And I need to remember what made Artist Alley so fun in the first place. And actually, before I ever became an Artist Alley seller, I was a con goer. And I love cons. I love cosplaying at cons. And it's actually been a hot minute since I last cosplayed at cons. Because kapag sa con, tapos magka-cosplay ka pa, tapos magtitinda ka pa, super hassle niya, ang daming iniisip, ang init, tapos ang daming tao, ang daming nagpapapicture sa'yo. So for a long time, habang nag-Artist Alley ako, hindi na ako nagko-cosplay. And recently, I missed it. I miss going to cons as a cosplayer. So here we are, naisip ko umattend ng con as a con-goer cosplayer and not an Artist Alley person. So I don't have to think about, you know, work, business, and sales. I'm just there to have fun. I will have fun today. Yep. So let's do my makeup na. Chika ko lang din, Ozine was actually my first ever con. Started cosplaying back in December 2018, and that was Ozine Fest, I think, yung winter December event nila. And now that I want to go back to my roots, Ozine is a perfect event. Okay. Another reason why I haven't been cosplaying is because genuinely wala lang ako nakikitang characters na gusto kong i-cosplay. But since I have been watching One Piece, parang super inspired ko mag-cosplay ulit. For this event, I'll be cosplaying Boa Hancock. My original bias was Nami, pero sobrang bias record ni Boa Hancock. This is not a makeup channel, pero kilig. I've always wanted to do that. Here's a cosplayer tip. We actually use tape to secure the hairnet to our faces. Para yung mismong wig mo, hindi rin gumagalaw-galaw sa ulo mo throughout the con. And then, gumagamit ako ng dalawang wig cap. Yung isa net type, tapos ito parang bald cap. I know I look super crazy, but trust the process. It is Maybelline. Something that I love about One Piece is the way Oda writes his character. Sobrang multi-layered nila. And he just writes about experiences and trauma so well. And even in the women, because sobrang layered din the personalities ng women. So One Piece, they're not just characters that need saving. They're actually part of the plot and help progress the plot, if that makes sense. Like, for example, si Boa. He is a warlord. He has a purpose. Hindi lang siya parang damsel in distress. Super daming may ayaw kay Boa since sobrang sama ng ugali niya. But personally, I love that. I think her being mean is a trauma response since again, naging slave siya. And then after niya makalaya, I feel like yung response niya dun is to be in control of situations. Gusto niya, laging siya yung boss, tapos gusto niya, siya yung laging on top of people, stepping on people, kicking people, ganyan. Since now, hindi na siya slave, and I feel like she needs to constantly feel that she's not a slave anymore. Ang galing ni Odo magsulat ng reactions ng characters to trauma, and I really like that about her. Okay, actually medyo late na ako, so need ko na bilisan, and maybe I should stop talking na. Okay, so I am going to do my eye makeup na, and this requires intense focus, so hindi mo na ako magsasalita. Okay? Hey, it's VoiceOver Kim. I was trying to figure out what makeup style to do with Boa. I was super anxious throughout this process because I haven't done cosplay makeup in a while, but I have to remember that I'm going to this con to enjoy, and I don't need to be perfect. Another problem I encountered was natuyot yung lash glue ko. I guess it's because I haven't used this in a while, so hindi ko na-check. I was super stressed at this point, but again and again, I'm only here to have fun, and nothing has to be perfect. I guess bibili na lang ako ng lash glue sa mall. Ay, I'm stressed. I'm stressed out. Okay, titties don't look too bad. The lashes are not doing well, so tinanggal ko muna. Now it's time for the wig. I'm gonna throw up. Cute, I'm cute. Cutie, okay. Good, I look good. Titties are out, I'm pretty. Skin looks great. Let's go na. Nasa car na kami. This is my sister. Sino character mo? Yuji. Oh, pa-flash ko yung name niya here. Siya si Wolop. Hi! Me and my sister, lagi kaming pupunta cons together, naka-cosplay. It just so happens, na nag-start ako ng vlog, hindi na ako nagko-cosplay, so hindi siya nakakasama. So now that con comeback namin, she's here. Ah! Healthy din ako na ng sales lady. Tiga. Faster! We did it. Hello, I'm photographer. Okay. I'm sorry. Thank you so much! Hi, it's Editing Kim. Kakasend lang sa akin ang photog ko ng photos and they look so good! Look! Susunod niyo sa akin yung files and nung nakita ko siya, I'm like, oh my god, sino to? Sobrang hot naman nito. And it's me! Take a look at this hot bitch! Thank you so much, Clicker Shots! I'm super happy with the photos. Book niyo siya guys, super galing niya. Thank you so much! Okay, back to the video. Okay, tapos na yung most stressful part. So now, papasok na kami sa loob ng con venue. Gumanon ka? Yes, anime open. One, two, three. Yo. Oh my god! Ano mo, do you want me to call Yuri? Or Aisa?
Aisa na lang, kasi we're friends.
Oh my god! Si Aisa, my friend!
You look so beautiful today.
Ikaw rin, sister. Ano na tayo? Ang init, ang daming tao. This place is not fit for a pirate empress.
It's so loud! I'm biased. Me. Pili na. Look awkward.
Ang init dito. Prinsesa ako, dapat di ako ginagat ko.
Alagat ko. Palang ano? What? What? Hindi ko alam.
Nakalabas lang namin sa gera. Kumakain kami sa food court. I feel like nakailan na akong corn. And alam ko naman na sobrang daming tao and nakakapagod siya. But I feel like every time na pupunta akong corn, nagugulat pa rin ako na, oh my God, ang daming tao.
Yeah.
Parang every corn, dumadami yung population natin. So, pwede huwag na kayo pumunta.
Ano tayo? Merch haul. Ay, rose na natanggap ko sa Haruhi Koser. Alam mo yung sa makeup ano? Tapos ano, postcard. Nanami!
Hayop namatay.
Artist card. Tapos like, meron pang drawing sa likod.
Ah, cute!
Artem from Tears of Temis. He's so pogi. Guys, look at that.
Uwi na kami!
Goodbye, Mini Ozin.
Bye, Ozzy!
Bye!
Hi, it's now the next day and I have some thoughts I'd like to share. First off, the reason why nag-attend ako sa convention this month is because I'm trying to recover from my burnout. And I'm trying to rediscover what makes conventions fun. And na na-umattend ako ng convention, so ang na-remind lang sa akin is kung gaano siya kahirap at nakaka-stress. From pagpili pa lang ng costume, to shipping the costume to me, wearing the costume, doing my makeup, arranging all of my schedules para lang mag-fit lahat ng mangyayari, at makarating ako sa event ko on time para maabutan ko yung photographer ko on time, and ma-meet ko lahat ng mga dapat kong ma-meet on time. Nakaka-stress yung planning, yung preparation, ang dami-dami kong iniisip during conventions. And lahat yun, need mo siya gawin habang naka-costume. So grabe, sobrang init. As in, alala ko, ito nga pala yung reason ko ba't ako nag-stop. Grabe yung stress ko. And then the next day, may work pa ako sa Monday. But on the other hand, I'm also reminded of why I loved conventions and cosplaying in the first place. I really enjoy cosplaying characters that I love. Meron na sobrang popular na anime dati. Pangalan niya, My Dress Up Darling. So yung bida doon, si Marin, isa siyang babae nagko-cosplay or she's starting out cosplaying, and the reason why she wants to cosplay is because for her, cosplaying is the best way to honor her favorite characters. And I agree with those sentiments so much. So for me, sobrang laking honor na maging bawahan ko for a day. It was such an honor to wear her clothes and to act like her and to look into the mirror and to see someone that I love. Like for a day, I really needed to borrow some of her beauty, some of her strength, and of course, her confidence. Feel ko pinahiram niya yun sa akin for a day, and I feel so honored about that. I love you, Boa. I love you so much. I was also very happy to see some of my friends again because, again, ang tagal ko nag-stop from cosplaying, from attending conventions. Nung nakita nila ako, tuwan-tuwa sila, tapos namiss daw nila ako, Kimi, namiss niyo ako? Another thing na naalala ko that I love about cosplay, I really enjoy meeting the community that loves the same things as I do. Dami ko na-meet na tao na One Piece fans na sinabi ang ganda daw ng costume ko And sabi nila sa akin na Boa is their favorite character. Tapos ano rin yung characters na pag nakikita nila ako, gaganon sila. If you're not a One Piece fan, basically post yun ni Boa Hancock, gaganon siya. So kapag nakikita nila ako, wala silang sasabihin, tuturo lang nila akong ganon. Nakakatuwa yung mga inside jokes ng fandoms na even if ngayon lang kita na-meet, parang we already clicked because of the costume I am wearing. There were also a lot of kids na lumalapit sa akin tapos nagpapapicture. I'm not sure if kilala nila yung character, but I think yung moms nila, inaaya yung mga anak nila, oh, magpicture ka doon, so nagpapapicture sila sa akin. There was also this one girl na super bata niya pa, siguro mga 7 years old. Lumapit siya sa akin, nagpa-picture siya, and then after, she told me that I looked very pretty and cool. Sabi niya, oh, you look so pretty and cool. Tapos iniyakan ko yun after, pag uwi ko. Iniyakan ko siya. Because during the event, I really did feel very pretty and cool. So, yeah. Overall, I would say it was a very successful event. Gugustuhin ko ba siyang ulitin? Hindi. I am reminded kung gano'ng kahirap mag-cosplay, but at the same time, I am reminded of why I started cosplaying in the first place. And now, I feel like mas okay na mag-cosplay very seldomly. For example, mga every 2 to 3 months, ganyan. I think yun yung fault ko kung bakit ako na-burn out because pinipilit ko yung sarili ko na mag-attend ng events tapos wala akong recovery periods. Nakakaumay siya. And I need to remind myself na hindi ko to full-time job. Meron akong day job outside of conventions. I feel like before kasi, kino-compare ko yung event schedule ko and yung timeline ko sa other bigger artists. Pero need ko maalala na sila, full-time na nila to, and marami silang time na ilaan for this. Pero for me, na meron akong day job, tapos pagsasabay ko siya dito, hindi talaga siya feasible. So I need to be more kind to myself. Ayun, yun lang naman ang aking thoughts and opinions. Let me think about it, kung kailan yung next event ko. We'll see. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope may sense yung mga pinagdadaldal ko today. I hope to see you guys at the next vlog. Bye-bye!